The construction industry is one of the most complex and fast moving sectors, requiring teams to juggle multiple tasks, manage vast amounts of data, and coordinate across job sites and offices. Traditional methods of handling construction projects using spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected software often lead to miscommunication, project delays, and costly mistakes. Autodesk Construction Cloud is designed to tackle these challenges head on by offering a cloud based, all in one platform that brings together document management, collaboration tools, real time analytics, and cost tracking. It serves as a central hub for all project stakeholders, contractors, architects, project managers, and engineers, ensuring that they work from a single source of truth. This tutorial will walk you through the key features of Autodesk Construction Cloud, its benefits, and why it's a must have tool for modern construction teams. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its centralized document management. Managing construction documents can be overwhelming, especially when dealing with blueprints, RFIs, contracts, and compliance paperwork. ACC provides a single, cloud based repository for storing and organizing all project files. It ensures that everyone on the team has real time access to the latest versions, preventing miscommunication and reducing rework. This eliminates version control issues, ensuring that teams always work with accurate and up to date information. Another key feature is its seamless collaboration and communication. Effective communication is essential in construction, where multiple teams work on different aspects of a project simultaneously. Autodesk Construction Cloud includes built in messaging, markup tools, and automated notifications, allowing teams to share updates, discuss issues, and track project changes without relying on endless email threads. This keeps all team members informed and on the same page, reducing miscommunication and delays. Another key feature is the advanced project tracking and scheduling. Keeping a construction project on schedule requires real time tracking of tasks, deadlines, and resource allocation. ACC offers interactive dashboards and Gantt charts that provide a visual overview of project progress. So, if delays occur, the platform helps identify bottlenecks and reassign tasks to maintain workflow efficiency. This helps project managers stay proactive, preventing missed deadlines and costly delays. Another key feature is the field and mobile access. Construction teams often work on site, making it crucial for them to access project data anytime and anywhere. ACC is fully optimized for mobile devices, allowing field workers to upload photos, update project details, and access blueprints in real time. It even has an offline mode, ensuring that work doesn't stop when internet connectivity is limited. This increases field productivity by providing instant access to crucial project information. Another key feature is its risk management and safety compliance. Construction projects come with numerous safety regulations that must be followed. Autodesk Construction Cloud offers risk management tools that allow teams to track compliance, report safety incidents, and conduct digital safety audits. The platform also enables automated reporting, reducing the administrative burden on safety managers. This improves workplace safety and ensures compliance with OSHA and industry standards. So, why is Autodesk Construction Cloud a great choice? Autodesk Construction Cloud stands out because it offers an integrated, all in one solution that connects the entire construction process from design and pre construction to field execution and project closeout. One of its most significant advantages is that it eliminates the need for multiple disconnected software solutions. So instead of juggling separate tools for document storage, scheduling, and budgeting, ACC consolidates everything into a single, easy to use platform. This improves efficiency and reduces the time wasted switching between different apps. Another key strength is its real time collaboration capabilities. With ACC, teams can work together seamlessly regardless of whether they're in the office or on site. The platform ensures that all project stakeholders have access to the same information, reducing errors, miscommunication, and unnecessary project delays. Additionally, its mobile friendly interface ensures that field workers can access the platform from anywhere, updating progress, uploading site photos, and reporting safety issues, all from their smartphones or tablets. So overall, Autodesk Construction Cloud is a must-have tool for construction teams that want to streamline project management, improve collaboration, and ensure long-term success. So basically, Autodesk Construction Cloud is an industry leading construction project management platform that provides a comprehensive set of tools for document management, scheduling, collaboration, budgeting, and risk assessment. With its real time tracking, BIM integration, mobile access, and AI powered analytics, ACC helps construction professionals reduce project delays, prevent costly errors, and improve overall efficiency. So, whether you're managing a small renovation project or a large scale commercial construction effort, Autodesk Construction Cloud ensures that your team stays connected, your budget stays on track, and your deadlines are met. So, if you're looking to improve project workflow, enhance collaboration, and streamline operations, Autodesk Construction Cloud is one of the best tools you can invest in for 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.